Hello Bladers! Do you drive to work every day? Or are you thinking of going on a long trip? If you are, then a dashboard cam is a must-have. A reliable dash cam provides a lot of benefits to its user. It helps you feel and be secure for every travel. However, with a lot of car expenses that we have, we don't want to spend a lot on dash cams. As such, we've compiled a list that you can get for just less than 5,000 pesos at blade.ph. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Affordable dash cams less than 5,000 pesos. Number 1. Use Smart Dash Camera. Get this dash cam for just 3,299 pesos. It supports 1920 by 1080p Full HD at 60 FPS. Also, it can cover bright, clear and sharp images even at high speed. Lastly, it comes with a video recording and emergency recording feature. You can have it installed at any Blade Auto Center branch for free. Number 2. Dub Project Dashcam A3. Have a dash cam that can shoot clear recordings in bright and dark light with a 2.4-inch display. It also comes with G sensor to monitor your proper acceleration. Dub Project Dashcam A3 also has an enhanced night vision and a memory that can store up to 32 GB. Get it for only 3,999 pesos. Number 3. Dub Project Rearview Mirror Dashcam T22. Have this dash cam for just 2,999 pesos. It provides wider rear view and minimized blind spots. Also, it has a 2.7-inch display with a screen night vision and can store memory of up to 64 GB. Number 4. Papago Go Safe 388 Full HD Mini Dash Cam. Record your trip in crisp Full HD 1080p with loop recording, which will allow you to view your footage in real time. This dash cam is equipped with a 2-inch LCD display, along with stop and go, light reminder, and driver fatigue warning features for safer driving habits. Get all of these features in one for only 4,999 pesos. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.